ఇక చైనా సరిహద్దుల్లో నెలకొన్న పరిస్థితుల నేపథ్యంలో ప్రధాని మోదీ ఏ నిర్ణయం తీసుకున్నా దానికి కట్టుబడి ఉంటామని స్పష్టం చేశారు ఏపీ సీఎం జగన్. 2014 నుంచి దేశ ప్రతిష్టను పెంచుతున్న మోదీ నాయకత్వంపై పూర్తి విశ్వాసం ఉందన్నారు. ఆల్ పార్టీ వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో పూర్తి మద్దతు ప్రకటించారు సీఎం జగన్.
At the onset, I'd like to express my deepest anguish over the death of our 20 brave soldiers who displayed exemplary courage while protecting the sovereignty of our great nation. My heart goes out to the families of these brave soldiers. I strongly urge the leaders participating in today's meeting to stand shoulder to shoulder with our extended bereaved families. Everybody present in this meeting will agree with me that ever since 2014, sir, thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister, our reputation and our image throughout the globe has taken a huge leap forward. Thanks to Modi ji, our Honorable Prime Minister, he has embarked on a mission since 2014 to make India an economic and diplomatic powerhouse. By extensively visiting nations across the world and building strategic partnerships, which actually propelled India to the forefront in this era of strong international relations. This has established India as a global power to reckon with and a lighthouse for other nations. Sir, we have gained prominence in the global sphere, and it is quite evident from the Honorable Prime Minister's most successful foreign policy initiative. Further, Honorable Prime Minister demonstrated his visionary leadership at the UN Security Council by securing an unprecedented support of 184 member nations out of the total 192 member nations. This kind of numbers to support our cause was never seen in the past. This monumental achievement speaks volumes and reflects greatly on our Honorable Prime Minister's outstanding skill as a global statesman. So this is our strength, sir. You are our strength. The contacts, the diplomatic relationships, what you hold, this is our strength. While this was the positive side, sir, on the flip side, due to India's glorious growth story under your regime, India has also gained envy of many, sir, who have tried to destabilize India through indirect forces. Despite such pressures working against us, we have emerged victorious time and again. With your capable leadership, sir, which is quite aptly displayed through your swift and just response in the horrendous Pulwama attack, or be it Doklam issue, sir, all these speak volumes of your capability and also your astute leadership, sir. And I'm confident of India's future in your able leadership in this situation as well, sir. So I'm closely following this situation building up in Galwan Valley, sir. However, as the intricate details of the incident and the relationships between the two countries are better known to the central government alone, so here I would not be very specific or prescriptive in my advice. But I'm pretty sure, sir, that even in this situation, you would use your wisdom and diplomatic connections most aptly to find a solution to this predicament as well. In the most amicable manner, appreciated by all. Having said this, sir, I stand by you in these testing times, not only as the President of YSR Congress Party, but also as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. I would like to convey the wholehearted support of the 6 crore people of my state, sir. All of us are behind you, sir. I have complete faith and trust in your able leadership And I'm confident that you will navigate the nation successfully even through this Galvin crisis. And India will emerge even more stronger. India will emerge even more resilient. Surpassing these testing times, whatever strategy you put forth in place, we will firmly stand by you, sir.